What's the meaning of aspirational? Aspirational. Aspirational.
Aspirational. Aspirational. The word aspirational refers to something that is seen as a desirable goal or aspiration, often associated with social status or personal achievement. It relates to the idea of striving for something better, more fulfilling, or more meaningful in life. In other words, aspirational encompasses the desire to attain a certain level of success or fulfillment. This term can be used to describe various aspects of life, such as career goals, lifestyle choices, or consumer preferences. Overall, aspirational represents the pursuit of a higher standard of living or personal satisfaction.